Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a monthly review of Nifty index, which we do like every week, and also we do the monthly reviews as well. So as it's a fresh week of May, we will do a monthly review so to get a overview of the what the market is doing in on a higher time frames. Okay, so let's go to monthly chart here, and this is the Nifty index. And we have been discussing about this, like how the market is in a tight range kind of a thing. This is the range it's been in, and it has not been able to break out from that zone yet. Okay, so and this we can see there has been some rejection from the bottom. Okay, and also there's been rejection from the top. Okay, so this is what is happening at the moment, and so that just explains that the market is in a very tight range, and as you can see here, once that range is broken, there will be a very big move either to the downside or the upside. So from bear's perspective, yeah, as we have discussed earlier, there's been a massive move here to the upside and without any decent correction. Okay, so what they are saying is that a correction is needed at least until this point where it can find some supports around. Sorry about the drawing, let me do it. Okay, where it can find some support around here. Okay, so after this massive push to the upside, they're expecting some sort of correction, and probably up until this point. So it's not going to drop like this. Okay, it can probably come take some support here and do this and then come to this. That's what the bears are hoping for, and to do that, the first objective is to take the lows of this particular bar here. Okay, so they have to take the lows of this bar. That's very important, first of all. And if they can take out the lows of this bar in this month and then close below that, then there is a pretty good chance that we can see some decent rally or decent push to the downside, and probably up until this point first, and then can come all the way to this point here. So that's the expectation of the bears. To do that, as I said, this will be their first objective, to break the lows of this and close below that low. Okay, so from the bulls perspective, what they are saying is they have been pushing only one bar here which shows massive strength with the bulls, and again one bar which shows massive strength with the bulls, and again it's just a consolidation period for them, and then it's kind of pole and a flag, you can say, and they want to take it much higher than this. Okay, so that's the view, and to achieve that, their first objective is to take the highs of this previous candle and then close above that. That would be their first objective, which makes sense, right? So bull's objective is to take the highs of this, and bear's objective is to take the lows of this. So all we have to do is we have to see whose objective is likely to get achieved and how they are doing on a lower time frames. Okay, so let's go to weekly chart here. We can see nice rejection from the top. Okay, so we saw a rejection from the bottom here, and we are seeing rejection from the top here. So essentially, I don't think the market can, it's difficult to tell where it wants to break out to the upside or the downside. So but what we have identified is, on a daily time frame, if we go here, we have already marked this on our previous analysis as well, like it's been in a channel, you can say. Okay, this, let me take the channel chart. So it's been in this channel for quite some time, right? It's been in this channel. So what the bears are expecting is take the prices to the lower end of the channel to here. Okay, so it can probably come like this in a wave. Okay, so like this. So essentially there has been a rejection from the top, which we anticipated. Remember, we had marked this level and also this level, and if you have seen my Telegram posts as well, you could have noticed that we have had a bearish view when the price was at the top of the channel here. Okay, and we did take some of the trades. If you haven't seen the live trade that I have posted on YouTube video, please do that. I will provide a link for you in the end, so you can see the logic behind taking the trade in Maruti, and how it nicely aligned with the Nifty movement as well. Okay, it will be a very good educational video for you, and it will help you in making a better trader. So this is what it is about at the moment. So as we see here, the price is likely to come down here because there is some selling pressure, and due to the COVID situation in India, it's getting worse day by day, so the chances are it might come down. But for the bulls, as I said, they have to take the highs of this and close above this level here. So what we could see is, because of this big rally here, we could possibly see some sort of consolidation here, and bulls trying to make an attempt to take the prices higher, and then again they're going to fail. That's what I'm anticipating personally, but let's see how it goes, and I'll be open to whatever the market tries to convey. And but that's my view. I will be looking for that kind of a scenario wherein the bulls try to consolidate the prices here somewhere. Consolidate the price here and then try to take it higher, and then maybe another fall or something. So essentially I'm expecting the market to be in this channel itself until this coronavirus situation significantly changes, either to the positive side. At the moment there is a lot of negative bias in the market, so we'll stick with that, and we will find some stocks accordingly. Okay, so if you like this video, please share and subscribe if you haven't done yet, and also I have started a premium Telegram channel if you're interested, and the details of that is provided in the description, when I'll be posting my trades immediately after I take the trade, or well before that as well, if it's a planned trade. Okay, so and also I'll provide you the video of explaining the logic behind taking those trades. So this will help you in becoming a better trader, I think. So if you also think so, do subscribe to that, and the details are in the description box below. Okay, thank you guys, see you later.